guys, it's Nick. I'm here on Northern Boulevard and 82nd Street in Jackson Heights. I don't know if you can see behind me the New York City skyline back there, but yes, that is the view you can see from here. And this neighborhood has changed a lot in the past 10 or 15 years. It has become kind of a night spot. A lot of restaurants, new restaurants, bars, lounges, sports bars, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to take a little walk from 82nd up to around 90th and see what this area has to offer. Let's check it out. So already you got this croissant, cappuccino, espresso bagel place. You got this old school bar, looks like kind of local sports bar kind of place. And oh, something's going on over here. What is this? Is this a school? Commercial? So that place used to be a movie theater. I'm on the right block. Yeah. Goes Nancy Blake's. What is this? An Irish bar? Liverpool FC. Oh wow. Yeah, this is definitely new. Yeah, this was the movie theater right here. Elements Pizzeria. This is new too. Smells good. So yeah, a lot of new restaurants out here, a bunch of new bars. This stretch of Northern Boulevard wasn't that nice, and not a lot of people came here as kind of a, you know, a destination or a night out with the family or with their friends. So, but this place, Uncle Peter's, has been here a long time. I've eaten in here. It's pretty good. It's an old school place. What do they got here? Let's see. Bruschetta, $15. Garden salad, $15. Chicken Milanese, $30. Chicken Franchise, $32. Chicken parm, $32. So a lot of Italian stuff. Shrimp scampi, $28. Lasagna, $30. Happy hour. So this is a nice place, and it's old school, you know, a lot of wood around and stuff. Classy old bar kind of place. It's definitely from the old guard of this neighborhood. It's starting to be a little out of place, but I'm sure it still, you know, gets a crowd because it has a very good reputation. So, is this like a Brazilian churrascaro or something like that? What is this? So across the street is Pio Pio, of course. Speaking of reputations, this place has been here a long time. They have a corner location. It's kind of like a takeout, and then they got this big, huge location, and this thing gets busy on many nights. They got the ceviche and stuff. It's like a Peruvian kind of food with the roasted chicken with the fries and the cut up hot dogs kind of thing, the ceviche, all kinds of good stuff. What is this thing? Latino Bites, Colombian restaurant. So yeah, there's a lot of Colombian, South American. This area, this is some kind of lounge, Mala bar. Not a lot of people right now, but obviously it's not that late. It's probably like 7 o'clock. Here's the Pio Pio to go, the original. And I believe this is a Colombian bakery. Maybe not. That's a Colombian bakery place up the street over here. What is this? Lima restaurant bar, kind of lounge, kind of nightclub looking kind of place. Another place, bar lounge, Babu. This place is busy at night. A lot of people out here. So yeah, there's I should probably take a walk here at night just to give you an idea of what it looks like. But yeah, all this this whole, like, I don't know, like a 6-7 block stretch is really busy on the weekends. And there's a couple more places over here. One is a kind of specialty beer brewery type bar, I guess. You got this steakhouse, you got this Yeros restaurant, sports bar. Oh yeah, this is the one I go to. Yeah, so this place is really good. You know, obviously a lot of loud music, but they play, you know, sports and loud music, and you know, it gets really busy. Is this the brewery place? Yes, this is the. They got a whole bunch of different taps on the wall there of all kinds of different drinks. So this is the beer factory. So the beer factory, and right next to Yeros over there. Really good places, and at night they are really busy. And this place on the corner, I don't remember seeing this. This must be pretty new. What is this? Cantina, LA, established 2023. Okay, so I've missed this for 2 years. Look at that big screen TV they got. Yeah, so this is definitely a soccer fans kind of bar right here, and open air and stuff, which is good at night, not so good in the daytime. So guys, that's a look at Northern Boulevard in Jackson Heights between about 82nd Street and 88th Street. If you want some really good South American type food, there's a lot of options here. If you want some South American type bars, nightlife, sports bars, that kind of thing, come check this place out. It gets really busy on Friday and Saturday night, of course. So I hope you like this walk. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.